This video shows how to troubleshoot print quality problems for a variety of HP Inkjet printers. HP makes many different printers with a variety of ink systems, and the troubleshooting steps might vary by printer. For details on how to complete the steps we're providing below for your printer, visit hp.com/support. In most cases, the first steps are typically the same for all HP Inkjet printers. First, be aware that HP printers are optimized for HP ink. HP recommends that you use genuine HP cartridges. HP cannot guarantee the quality or reliability of non-HP cartridges or refilled HP cartridges. The type of paper you are printing on can also have an effect on print quality. For better quality prints, be sure to use photo paper. If you are printing photos on plain paper, turn down the print quality to normal to avoid soaking the paper with ink. For example, to change print quality in Windows 8, open the search charm and search for Devices and Printers. Then select Devices and Printers from the search results. Right-click your printer and select Printing Preferences. Locate the print quality options and adjust the print quality from the drop-down menu, and then click OK. Finally, check to see if you are low on ink. If you're unhappy with the quality of your print, and you know you're low on ink, you might need to replace a cartridge. Some HP printers are designed to stop printing before the printhead runs completely dry to protect the printhead from being fired without ink. If you have one of these printers and run out of ink, replace the cartridge to continue printing. Now that we've covered a few tips for quality printing, we can walk through a few basic troubleshooting steps. Printing a test page helps you isolate problems with your printer from any issues you might have with your PC, your software application, or the file you are printing. To print a test page on recent HP printers, make sure your paper is letter-size plain paper. On the printer's front panel, press the Setup button. Then press Tools, and then press Print Quality Report. For some printers, the steps might be Print Report and then Print Quality Report. There are a variety of print quality diagnostic pages. Most will have common features such as color blocks and alignment patterns used for diagnosing printer problems. Once you've printed a test page, it is important to review the results to see if further action is required, such as cleaning. Begin by looking at color blocks on the test page. These blocks represent each of the ink colors in your printer. If you have streaking or faded color blocks on the test page, perform a cleaning. To perform an automated cleaning on recent HP Inkjet printers, press the Setup icon, and then choose Tools, and then Clean Printhead, or Clean Cartridge. Some HP printers will have as many as 3 levels of cleaning. After each cleaning, a page is printed. If the problem is not fixed after the page has been printed, check the front panel and try the next level of cleaning. If your cartridge has a vent, check to see if the corresponding cartridges are properly vented. If there's any residue blocking the ink slot, use a pin to remove it. Another common feature on the print quality diagnostic page is a set of lines called the alignment pattern. These lines should appear straight on the paper, as shown here. If they are crooked, you might need to align your printer. To align newer HP printer models, press the Setup button, then Tools, then Align Printhead. The printer will print an alignment page. This might take several moments. In some HP printers, there will be a second step where you need to scan the alignment page. If you have one of these printers, the instructions will appear on your test page. If cleaning and alignment did not fix the problem on the diagnostic page, the next step is to try replacing parts. If your printer is in warranty, your printhead might be too, and you can contact HP for a replacement. Visit hp.com for more information on warranty replacement. If you have a printer with separate printhead and ink cartridges, see if the printhead is replaceable. Open the printer and look for a lever on the side of the printhead. A lever indicates the printhead is replaceable. Wait until you have a replacement part to remove the printhead. For some cartridges, the printhead is part of the cartridge, in which case the whole unit is replaceable. If the date on the cartridge hasn't passed and the cartridge still has ink, then it is covered under warranty. Return it to the retailer you purchased it from or contact HP for a replacement. When you receive a new replacement cartridge, remember to peel off the protective tape before inserting into the printer. You can recycle your old ink cartridge by returning it to HP. Visit hp.com/recycle for more information. If replacing the cartridge or printhead doesn't fix the problem and the printer is in warranty, contact HP for service options. You can find additional helpful videos at hp.com/support videos and on our YouTube channel, youtube.com/HP Printers Support.